I can't find a better partner in crime
Yes.
than Lynn, and she's been very supportive. Like, she has come with her studio. So she's not just come here to speak, but she's come here to support, because she's one of the many people that believe in what we are doing, and I'm very much proud of. So karibu sana Lynn, and say a few words.
Habari yenyu? Mko salama? Yani mi sijui kusimama mbele ya watu. Sasa acha niwachekeshe. Unaweza fanya video iwachiwe na watu wengi, lakini hao watu sasa ukiwekewa mbele yako, you become so shy. But I want to say first thank you to God for even allowing this moment to happen. When Justus said he has his first anniversary, I was like, this guy here is my friend. I do not know a more better person in the entire media than Justus. Justus, the one you see sitting here, is the same Justus who will talk to you over the phone. He is the same Justus who will guide you. I have grown so fond of him, and I'm such a fan of what he does. I was a fan even before we met. And I know we don't like hearing this, especially sisi tunatakanga tenda wema nenda zako. But Justus, this room is full right now because you believed in yourself and you believed in your vision. And you have paved way. Someone said something powerful. It's Gladys. She said, Justus, we give you pain and you give us your love. And we were in the washroom some hours. By the time ndio nimepanga huku, msinione hivi. Tulirauka huku. So tulikuwa washroom and I overheard, so me I was dressing inside the washroom. So hapo hivyo nje. So I heard Gladys and she said, so they were actually, it's not gossiping, they were talking about Justus. And she said, she was so scared when Justus called her to share her story. She was very nervous. So mi nasikiza tu niko huko ndani. She was very nervous. And then she said, when she got there, Justus took her for a walk and walked with her. And by the time she was doing her story, she felt so much peace. And I said, what is journalism if this is not it? Today, you know, I feel like, what is journalism if this is not it? I call Justus. Sometimes I watch a show on his platform and I call him. I'm like, Justus, how is this guest? What's the progress? Would you want me to bring them over to my show? Other journalists would be like, ata number hawata kupatia. He gives me the numbers and tells me, can I call them for you? Or what can I do to help so that they come on your show? You are the most selfless journalist I have ever encountered. True story. I feel like Justus and I, we connect. Poleni naongea kuhusu Justus sana. I'm coming this side. Justus and I, it's energy. I move with energy. And some of the guests who are also here that I've interviewed, they will tell you, I move with energy and vibration. This man, to be honest, and I'm not even vouching for him, he's the most selfless human being you will ever encounter. When we did the show with Optiven and Josephine was coming to see her land, I looked around and I can see this guy and the wonderful wife. And he says, I'm Justus. Because you know you don't get to see Justus on the screen, yeah? So I had just talked to him over the phone for those couple of months. Then, when now we are giving Josephine the land, it hits me. This is Justus from Shared Moments with Justus. And I'm like, guy, this guy, I was so happy. Because, you know, unlike some of you have seen me, but most of the audience don't even know how Justus looks like. And he does this with so much love. When you hear a journalist, the guest anasema alimtumia fare, do you know half of the time we use our own resources never to get them back? Do you know half of the time some of the guests will not even come back and say thank you? Do you know that? But look at all of you, having been members of shared moments with Justus, and you are here to celebrate. It's only 1 year, my friend. So imagine in the next 2 years, 3 years, my prayer for you, bloom, bloom, go. When I see we are sitting in the same rooms with members of the Kenya National Human Rights Commission, then you know change is about to happen. Change is about to happen. Because I keep saying, this is not competition, this is collaboration. If we can collaborate, we are going to impact so many lives together. And to you, my friends, the people who gathered their strength to come out and share their stories, I tell my guests, you are the bravest, but also remember, you are soft. Be soft, be brave. Yesterday on my show, we had such an amazing experience yesterday on my show, and someone told me, it's okay to be brave, but it's okay to be soft. She just said something. It's okay for you not to be a warrior. It's okay for you not to fake strength. It's okay to break. Break until you are ready to heal. You are ready to heal. I'm looking at one lady here. Allow me just to shine some light on her. Jacinta, there. You will see her on the show we did yesterday. And I can tell you, it was a roller coaster of emotions. And someone in the audience told her, be soft. It's okay for you to break. I can say even this on behalf of myself and Justus, we don't take the way you share your stories with us for granted. Are we the lucky ones? Yes, we are the lucky ones. We get to listen, watch you breaking down, sharing your stories with us and trusting us with your stories. We do not take it for granted. But you know the most important thing? We learn from your stories. I'm a better person than I was 5 years ago. I have sat across thousands of people sharing their stories with me, and every day I just want to better myself. To all the team who makes shared moments with Justus possible, the camera people, let's give them a shout out. It takes a team to put the wonderful work you guys watch together, and I can only tell you, when we allow people to be authentic with their stories, when we don't cyberbully people, troll them before we learn of their stories, we are going to build a very beautiful nation together. So, shared moments with Justus. I'm looking forward to our 5th year anniversary, where we get to feel, if we imagine, ka politicians wana feelingi Nyayo Stadium, kwa nini tusifili yo Nyayo Stadium with our positive stories? Sini ukweli? So, all the team at Shared Moments with Justus, I wish you well. May God guide you, and may you continue encouraging and impacting people. You imagine, for you to genuinely sit and share your story, you should clap for yourself. And I hope when she opened up yesterday, as I conclude, someone told, another lady opened up because she opened up. So when you see someone like Carol opening up, Josephine opening up, remember, someone else is getting the courage to open up because they have noticed we are not alone. So God bless you. Thank you for even sitting for over 6 hours here. Mungu awabariki. Sasa tuko karibu kwenda kukula, si ndio? Aya bro, shika. I'm so proud of you.